Hello, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making chicken and rice. No, not that chicken and rice. This chicken and rice. Let's get started. Okay, I have a half of a chicken that I've washed and cleaned, of course. I have some chicken stock. Let me turn it on too. I'm going to add the entire box in. I'm also going to add two cups of water. Just turned it on, get it started. Okay, make sure that your chicken is submerged into the water. I've added a little more, as you can see. It's starting to heat up, so now I'm going to add in some sliced onions. I have a few pieces of garlic, not too big, not too small, that I've peeled and smashed. I have some fresh parsley. This is the curly parsley. I have some pickled ginger, and I'm not going to add too much at first. We're going to wait till our chicken is cooked, and we're going to taste and see what flavors we need to re-enter into the pot. I have some bouillon cubes, chicken. I'm going to add these in. That's about 5 and a little. I have some Maggi bouillon, the powdered. I only have a little bit left, so I'm just going to add that on in there. I have some minced onion. I like this. This has a nice flavor, and it really kicks the onion flavor up a notch. I have some soy sauce, just a little, not much. I have some sriracha salt, and this can be painful, so just a few shakes. Turmeric. Just a little of that too. It has a strong flavor. We want it for the color though. And I have some black pepper. Going to cover this, and I have it on an 8, not quite high, but nearly high. We're going to let it boil for about 1 hour, and then we'll see where we are. Set your timer. I flipped it over, skin side down. It's been an hour. Now we can taste it and see what we need. It's pretty good, but still going to add a couple more bouillon cubes, and you add according to your taste. And I'm going to add some more minced onion, a few shakes of soy, and I'm going to let this go for another 15 minutes. And then we're going to take it out, set it aside, let it cool so that we can remove the chicken from the bones. And this is how I'm going to make the rice. I'm going to add some butter. And I'm using jasmine rice. And that's because it's a stronger rice. It doesn't break down like the other rices and get all mushy. And this is perfect for that dish. I'm only going to make a half a cup. And we're going to toast this up for about a minute a minute or two. That's been about 2 minutes. So now we're going to add some of the chicken broth. From here to there. Calm down. Going to turn it down. Cover it and let it simmer. We're going to have to remove this and put it in a pan so that we can take the meat off. Ooh, be careful with this part because it's falling apart. Wow, good move. I'm going to turn this off. This is good and ready. Let me taste it one more time. Perfect. That is perfect. I want you to see it. We're not going to keep the skin either. Rice is done. Can you see? There we are. Here is our chicken. Took the bones out. Now we need some veggies. And I have some carrots here that I've sliced up. I just have them soaking in some chicken broth just to cook them a little bit. Here I have some lettuce. And this is romaine lettuce. Cut this up. Doesn't have to be very small. I have some baby spinach and baby kale that I rinsed off a little bit. Now they say they washed it 3 times and so on, but I still wash it off anyways. I want to chop this fine. Well, not super fine, but we're almost there. There we go. I'm going to get some rice. Some rice in the bottom of the bowl. I'm going to add some of these greens. Some lettuce. Some carrots. And some chicken. Mm. Mix it up a little. We have some rice at the bottom, remember? It's all mixed up. Mm-hmm. And I like a little more pepper. Mm-hmm. And there you have it. Let me taste a little. And some rice and chicken and all of the veggies. Mm. Mmm. Yum. This is delicious. Delicious. Well, thanks for watching. And remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and stay blessed. I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. Make you some. Later.